Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to update the headlights on the YJ here. The YJ has the original headlights on it still, so got these bad boys right here. They're not too bright at night. I didn't want to change them out at first because I was really hesitant to change the stock look of the Jeep, but since I'm starting to do some of these modifications, like the front bumper, I decided maybe it's time to put some new headlights in. Also, I wanted to be able to see better at night when I drive. Instead of spending a lot of money on doing a headlight conversion kit, I decided I would try out the Vouke LED headlights. Got them on Amazon. The link is gonna be in the description. And I decided to give them a go. So to do this install, what we need to do first is take off this shroud. So we have the headlight shroud here. It's held on by 4 screws. Here, 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 and here. Once we get the headlight shroud out, there's a bezel on the outside of the headlight. Pop that out, and then the headlight just comes right out. Then these new headlights from Vouke right here are already set up for the Jeep. So I'm not gonna have to rewire anything. It should just be plug and play. All right, let's get to it. So you can see, I got the shroud off. Now, if we look here at the headlight, you can see there's this, it's held on by 4 screws as well. All right, so I got one of the new headlights in. What I'm gonna do first is put the bezel around the headlight. That way I can keep the protective film over it while I'm installing it, and then I'll take it out once I get the light in place. Also, again, this is quick plug and play, really easy. One of the headlights is installed. Now we just gotta do everything all over again on the other side. So again, my fear with this was that it was gonna be a little bit too aftermarket looking, but with seeing how bright this is compared to the original, I'm very happy. And these are the low beams. When the high beam's on, it turns on the other LEDs. Actually, this one is busted. Split down here. Also, this top piece is broken off. It's kind of a bummer, but we'll make it work. There we go. All right, so we got the new lights installed on the Jeep. Really easy installation, 15-20 minutes for everything. And like it says, it's really just plug and play. So let's check out how good these are. All right, so there you have it. These are the Vouke LED headlights for the YJ Wrangler. Super happy with this purchase. About $40 for some LED headlights on an 88. I'll leave the link in the description below. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.